everyone, in today's video I'm sharing with you the progressional updates of the Windcreek Bethlehem, Pennsylvania casino, resort and hotel area. They had started this renovation project over a year ago. This physical building that's dressed in yellow, that's not finished on the outside, hadn't been there. Now they've gone ahead and blown out some windows and floors, and looks as though they've installed hallways to connect the existing hotel of the casino resort to the new area through that glass where the sun is shining. Isn't that amazing? And this is where the old pool used to be, where you could go swimming. You can no longer go swimming. They're still working so diligently on the property, and the convention center for, like, if you were to go to see a special show or stuff like that, that's behind these yellow walls. And they've actually done renovation work on that area too. So over here used to be parking lot where that building in the back there is with the brick and the blue used to be only parking lot, and now they've gone ahead and expanded. So I just wanted to do a quick update, sharing with everyone the progression of the hotel and resort area. And I'll be sure and update you again sometime soon upon completion. But it's definitely still a huge work in progress. And they're working away with speed, but it's not fast enough to be done just yet. So I hope you like this video of the update of the Windcreek Bethlehem, Pennsylvania casino, hotel and resort area. And other than that, please be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.